So hi, I'm Siddharth. I'm one of the co-founders and CEO of the Solar Labs. So we started 2 years ago from IT Mandi to bring in technology in terms of software and platforms to the solar industry. So this was on basis of meeting more than 100 solar EPC companies, learning how they operate, then also speaking to end consumers on what they want to know about rooftop solar and the missing gaps that they have, which is stopping them from converting. So we've researched through everything and come up with this, solution. So we're building a software that helps solar companies figure out for any potential customer how much solar can be installed on their rooftop, and then what's the best way to install solar. So basically what the blueprints are, what the energy generation will be for the next 25 years, what the financial ROI would be. So it helps them come up with everything. So right now it's a big problem because doing this properly takes up to 6 days of work for an industry where around 5% of leads actually convert to sales. Our solution helps them reduce this time by up to 10 to 20 times, which reduces all of this to a few hours. Since the time reduction is fed through automation, the automation also gives out more higher generating solar assets. So we can estimate that around $30,000 worth of extra energy can be generated from a 100 kilowatt system due to our optimizations. Thirdly, since this data can be given to the end consumer in a very quick fashion, and the accuracy of the data is very good, we have also seen that it has increased the engagement that solar EPC companies have with their customers and has increased the sales for them as well. Next. So we offer our solution in 2 levels. The first is a residential tier, which is $500 per user per year. So this is basically one employee in a solar company will have a $500 per user. We also have another tier which is for $900 per user per year, which is our more standard offering. We also have a few add-ons which push the price of this to around $1,100. Before we started developing or working on the platform, we actually did designing and went through this cycle with a lot of solar companies ourselves. So we manually did services of about 40 megawatts, and then using that experience, we developed the product. The global market, so solar right now, like last year was 130 gigawatts annually was added, which leads to a very large opportunity for analytics, for platforms, for system design software, which we are banking on, which we are capitalizing on. And as per a TechCrunch and Emergence Capital report, the SaaS market globally is estimated to be around $2 billion in 2020. Locally in India, we're seeing around an 80% increase in the amount of solar capacity that's added year on year. So this is actually a very fast growing industry with a lot of potential. We have competitors mainly from the US. There are 2 companies which are called Helioscope and Aurora. So actually in India, we've managed to displace people using Helioscope from a number of companies. And we are giving heavy challenge to the AutoCAD and PVSys as well. So as of this moment, we have more than 50 Indian companies as paying customers. We're also looking to expand globally. Right now we have signed up one company from Nepal and one from the US. I just want to expand on the US customer a bit. So that is a very large mounting structure supplier, so which has a 30% market share in the US. So they've given us a contract for $30,000 in which we can, they want us to develop a few features for the US market because there's some customization required. And on basis of that, then we can discuss around a partnership and a cross-US a distribution deal as well. The leadership team, so 4 of us are from IT Mandi. I take care of sales and strategy. My co-founder Ankush and Devang, they take care of product, its design, user interface. Ashwin looks after engineering, and we have 15 team people who look after various aspects. We've won multiple awards from Niti Aayog, from Schneider Electric, from Esri, and we've been a part of 3 accelerators, Yes Bank Cleantech, Zerat.ai, which is from Hong Kong, and World Resources Institute of India, CityFix Labs. So we look at the solar labs and our design software as a beachhead into the solar industry. That is not the end product for us. We're building a platform. So basically an EPC company right at that time is negotiating with the customer. They're also negotiating with their vendors on buying inventory. So we've had multiple smaller companies ask us, hey, can you help us get cheaper inventory? We've had people ask us if we can also provide them leads. So in the next year or so, we plan to also work on the other platform aspects of it, offer services, and then charge some revenues on those services that we provide. Thank you.
Sorry, go ahead.
We have $121,000 shown as convertible instruments. What is this?
So we raised that money last year.
From whom?
So we raised it from iCreate and CIIE initiatives.
Okay, and what are the terms?
So that is on a convertible. So it will convert at a 20% discount to the next round.
30%?
20%.
20% discount.
Yeah. But it's not going to convert at this time because this is there's a minimum, like it'll convert when we raise a proper next round.
Okay. Okay, if investors can show their interest, question. You go ahead.
What is your, I noticed that all your competitors are foreign. So is your strategy to exploit the lack of a credible Indian player and to dominate India? Or is your strategy to position yourself as a global player?
Our strategy, so we don't have any Indian competitors who are working on something like this. We have built a product while learning from Indian customers, but we believe that the product is global. And our product has now has a much larger depth in terms of product than some of our US competitors. So we'll definitely go global with this.
Niran, you have a question? If you could please use the mic, it will be.
You raised $212,000. $212,000. What valuation was that?
So yeah, this is a combination of the convertibles, a few grants. Yeah.
Oh, so this
no equity round.
No equity. No
only convertible debt, convertible notes that did at 20% discount to future rounds. Umesh, you have something to say? A question?
Yeah, sure.
Aishwarya?
Last word. So I want to understand more about your B2B, B2B2C product. Mm-hmm. Can you go back to that slide and explain what will you take to get there?
Sure. Can you put up the
So
slide?
the B2B2C slide that you had, where you were showing rooftops and
Avni, if you could get the B2B.
The last slide.
And in your product development roadmap, what it takes to get you there.
Right. Yeah, this one. Okay. So see, right now what we've done is we've built the technology that takes any 3D model and it can give a solar analysis on that automatically. The step towards going to the B2B2C is through partnerships with local governments. So right now there's this scheme by the government of India where they're now finally promoting rooftop solar or residential solar.
Publicly available data.
Sorry?
Will this work with publicly available data?
It will. So, you see, it's like there are 2 levels of analysis we go into. One is a 2D analysis, where the accuracy level is slightly lower. A 3D analysis, the accuracy level is higher for the B2B2C portal. But both of them can work quite well for that use case. The use case there is, you educate the customer, the end customer, on, okay, this is your house. Roughly, you can go for 2.5 or 3 kilowatts. And then you tell them, okay, this is how much it should cost you. This would be the energy generation. This would be your IRR figures, net present value, etc. So that they get convinced. After they are convinced, they'll sign up on the website, and then we'll give these as leads to our existing solar EPC companies who already are using our design product.
Okay, any other thoughts?
Aware
Avero,
of
you've got a green flag up now.
Wanted to know if there's any exits in this space, in the solar software that you know of, and if you know how much they were sold for, how many X and whatnot.
Right. So as of this moment, there are no exits in the solar software space that that I know of. But
Do you foresee getting exit from a US entity or an Indian entity?
right. So we actually foresee an exit. So 3 exit paths. One is potential acquisition from a US company or a larger company. Either it could be someone like an Autodesk or a SolidWorks.
Are they
type of
interested
company.
in capturing the market in India?
India and globally.
But are they putting in resources to come into India and capture the market? Because then only they will buy you out. Is that happening? Do you see that?
As in, are these companies investing in India?
Yeah. Do they have operations in it? Are they coming in a good way? Like you said 80% year by year increase in the solar space, but is that same kind of increase happening in the software for managing the solar space?
Okay. So I know that software like AutoCAD and PVSys, they're sold heavily in India.
That's not for
but-
solar, you know that.
Yeah, that's not for solar, but I don't have the exact figure for...
I don't need the exact
how
figure,
much.
but all I'm saying is you have done your research, I'm sure.
Yeah, so most of the solar companies, they already have AutoCAD or SketchUp or software like that. So all of them have it already, but they're adopting us because we're faster and better, give more data.
And can you remind me, ask one more time, is the same as it's written here?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Okay.
So, like to that effect, like the US company that we were speaking, that I spoke about, they actually started talking with us about an acquisition type of offer because they felt that they have a very large market share in the US. They have like a 30% where they sell structures. So they were like, okay, we can sell the software to our customers there and then also expand. So it
How
started
big
off-
was the Nepal order that you closed?
So Nepal was one customer. They bought a subscription for 2 years, and the value of that was 108,000 rupees. 1 lakh.
1 lakh, okay.
1,08,000.
Okay, one more green flag up. You want to ask something?
So you're asking for what, 80 lakhs for 5%?
$110,000 is your ask?
Yes, 80 lakhs
80 lakhs?
for 5% equity.
We keep depreciating the rupee when it becomes convenient.
No. Would you, just a question, would you like to collaborate with a company which is already working in solar?
Yeah, definitely.
Would you exchange equity if possible?
Sorry?
Would you exchange equity if possible? I mean,
He's talking about a stock
So
transaction.
what he's saying is,
Where you,
and थोड़ा जोर से बोलो, young आदमी है यार, जवान
Right, right. Okay.
ऐसे ही बुड्ढा सुनाई नहीं पड़ता मेरे को. What he's saying is, your offer of money, etc., is on one side. We'll talk about that later, if at all. But will you collaborate with another company in the space? And if yes, will you be agreeable to equity swaps in that case?
Yes, exactly.
That's the question.
We can look at it if the partnerships makes a good sense.
thank you.
Right.
Any other question, Hemant? No? Anybody
Any
want
offers?
to
Yeah.
collaborate, make an offer?
Uh,
Mike, please.
You know, I need to own 15% of the company for 100K.
Okay,
That's our valuation parameter. I can't do it at this valuation.
okay. You want 50% for 100?
15% for
15%, 1.5
100,000.
for 100K.
Yeah, his
down.
current ARR doesn't justify the current
So
value.
his offer is $100,000, which is somewhere around what you're asking, but 1.5% equity.
I can go to 110,000 also, not a
Yeah,
problem.
110. So
110,000 for 15% equity is
it's
his offer.
1/3 of your valuation.
So you may say yes, you may say no, you may counter, you may consult. What do you want to do?
Or you may hear offers from others too.
If there are any
If
other
there are any
offers,
others.
anybody wants to join this offer? Kunal? So Kunal will join your offer if you are willing. Are you willing to have Kunal?
Yeah.
You can
Kunal
say
and I
no.
already co-invest.
You can say no, it's okay.
No, Kunal and I already co-invest.
People say no to me all the time.
Yeah, I'm fine with that.
You will join. You will join, Hemant? So 1, 2, 3, 3 people coming together.
Definitely,
You.
because of the equity
So you're
swap, because
getting
that
4
company will
people.
help a lot.
Buy 1, 4, get 4. 5 people. Absolute great connects. Kunal, you have something to say?
Now this is a reverse pitch. there is a lot of experience and potential deals for you from this table. So do
So
consider it.
potential leads, 5 investors, and a potential partnership.
Yeah.
But
But just
So-
the valuation
but the
will have to
valuation
be
is-
at,
yes, no
you know,
counter.
like he said,
Consult, what do you
Your
want to do?
current, you're doing 21,000. Is that
100,000 for
recurring
15%.
or that's a run rate?
Sorry?
21,000 is that ARR or it's?
It's the revenue that we've got in. The ARR right now is 28,000, 28 lakhs. And this year we plan to close the ARR at about
No.
50
see,
lakhs.
In a SaaS company, ARR is not annual run rate. It's annual recurring revenue.
Right, right.
Okay.
So
So don't
this,
confuse between
the
the
annual
two.
recurring revenue by which we'll close this financial year would easily be around 45 to 50 lakhs.
Yeah.
45
Then
lakhs.
your valuation, what we have offered is the best. I think yeah.
Okay, so that's
100,000 for 15% is what I'm into.
Yeah, so and 5 of them will participate. We'll talk about a potential partnership, but he's at a non-negotiable point. You can say yes.
Plus
you
you're
can say
getting
no.
a lot of
You want
leads
to consult?
and a lot of mentorship from the board.
Right. So obviously, I mean, we came here to do a deal and open to negotiate. The lowest valuation that we want to entertain right now is at 10 CR. So
NCR
that would
means
be my
You're
counter.
talking of 11%, 10%
No, no,
level.
8%. 10 CR is 8%.
Yeah.
You're talking 8%.
Yes.
Okay.
NCR post money, right? Post money?
Post money.
Post money
Yes.
10 CR.
Okay, so I think we are at a no-go.
Is it? Anybody have an interest at that value? 10?
No.
Nobody. So,
We have, lunchtime is already gone. We have dessert time. If you want to discuss then and come
No,
back.
I'm not taking, so I'm not taking this one to lunchtime.
this is a
If he wants to
negotiation.
come back.
There are already 4 for lunchtime, which we'll
No,
discuss.
Kunal will take it in a loo break also. Kunal, are
It's a
you
make
available?
or break. See, you want to be an entrepreneur and do great things in life and get a great stage and take big decisions, billion-dollar companies. This is your moment. The arclights of life welcome you. Yes, no, maybe. You can walk away, no problem. It's up to you.
See, the way that we're looking at it is even at the minimum case.
Oh, they have gone through all that.
No,
That's
even
their
even
offer.
at the minimum case, you can get an exit.
Yes and no. So,
So yes
so
or
my
no?
advice, unwanted advice. You are
investment
getting
decisions are binding.
1, 2,
It's either
3,
yes
4,
or no.
5 stars, and you have to give up only 5%.
5
I don't think it's
stars.
worth
If you
it.
got 5 of them as consultants in your company, you would
You would have had to pay even more
2%
than.
equity to them.
You'll never get them. You'll never get them. You'll never get them together.
Go
If
for
you
it.
think you should take the deal, your green flag or hand.
Absolutely.
Okay.
Okay,
You
audience is
have
very
Mr. Edward and
Audience is
Archana
very
ma'am
convinced.
there, Sumer. Mr. Edward is one of the founders of the VC Association of Indonesia and one of the earliest VCs of that country. You're getting expert advice on
One
the spot.
last unwanted advice, 100% of zero is a zero. True. Just remember that. If you make 5% less, but if everyone benefits and your investors benefit, it's not a bad thing.
Extremely
You
sound
will go
advice.
anyways.
I said extremely sound advice.
No, but think about the 2% sweat equity which you would have to give to 5 of us. That's 10% dilution for nothing.
Easily, that's standard, 2% minimum. People take up to 4 and 10.
Right. So at the moment, I would like to consult with my co-founders also
Do that.
because we had a discussion on some of the valuation.
You do that, I'll
like
give you 5
Kunal
minutes
said-
time, do that and come back.
Okay.
Okay?
Talk over dessert, make it sweeter for
Yes.
all of us.
Make it sweeter.